For centuries, hawthorn berries have held a place of honor in traditional medicine. These vibrant red berries born from the hawthorn tree offer a wealth of health benefits, especially for the heart. Cultures across the globe have revered hawthorn, incorporating it into remedies for various ailments. Today, modern science confirms what ancient healers knew all along. Hawthorn berries are a true gift from nature for our cardiovascular system. Hawthorn berries' power lies in their unique composition of bioactive compounds. These compounds work synergistically to support heart health in a multitude of ways, from regulating blood pressure to improving circulation. As we delve deeper into the world of hawthorn berries, we'll uncover the science behind their efficacy and discover how to easily incorporate them into our daily routines for a healthier, happier heart. The remarkable health benefits of hawthorn berries can be attributed to their rich concentration of bioactive compounds. Among these are polyphenols, a diverse group of antioxidants known for their ability to combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Flavonoids, another potent group of antioxidants found abundantly in hawthorn berries, contribute to their heart protective effects. These powerful antioxidants work in synergy to support overall cardiovascular health. They combat inflammation, a key contributor to heart disease, and improve blood vessel function. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, hawthorn berries help protect the delicate cells lining our blood vessels, promoting optimal blood flow and reducing the risk of plaque buildup. One of hawthorn berries' most notable benefits is their ability to enhance blood flow and lower blood pressure. This effect stems from their ability to stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. By widening the blood vessels, hawthorn berries help reduce the pressure exerted on artery walls, effectively lowering blood pressure. This vasodilatory effect not only benefits those with hypertension, but also improves overall circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients more efficiently throughout the body. Improved circulation translates to better heart health, as it reduces the workload on the heart and ensures that all tissues receive the nourishment they need to thrive. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for preventing heart disease, and hawthorn berries have shown promise in this area. Studies suggest that hawthorn berries can help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while simultaneously increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. LDL cholesterol contributes to plaque formation in the arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. HDL cholesterol, on the other hand, acts as a scavenger, removing excess cholesterol from the bloodstream and transporting it to the liver for elimination. By promoting a healthy balance of cholesterol, hawthorn berries can help keep arteries clear and flexible, reducing the risk of cardiovascular events. A sweet solution for blood sugar control. Beyond their remarkable cardiovascular benefits, hawthorn berries also offer promise in regulating blood sugar levels. This makes them a valuable ally for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance, conditions characterized by elevated blood sugar. Research suggests that hawthorn berries may enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to utilize glucose more effectively, and preventing drastic spikes in blood sugar after meals. This blood sugar regulating effect can be attributed to compounds in hawthorn berries that influence enzymes involved in glucose metabolism. Enjoying the benefits. A simple hawthorn tea recipe. Harnessing the power of hawthorn berries is as simple as brewing a soothing cup of tea. To prepare this heart-healthy beverage, combine 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hawthorn berries with 8 ounces of hot water. Allow the berries to steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and enjoy. For an extra boost of flavor, consider adding a slice of fresh ginger, a dash of cinnamon, or a drizzle of raw honey. These natural sweeteners complement the slightly tart flavor of hawthorn berries while offering their own unique health benefits. Finding hawthorn berries, your path to a healthy heart. Ready to experience the remarkable benefits of hawthorn berries? These heart-healthy treasures are becoming increasingly popular and can be found in various forms at health food stores, online retailers, and even some grocery stores. Choose from dried berries for tea, capsules for convenient daily intake, or tinctures for a concentrated dose. No matter which form you choose, incorporating hawthorn berries into your wellness routine can be a delicious and effective way to support your heart health. A heart-healthy choice with a note of caution. Hawthorn berries offer a wealth of heart-healthy benefits, from regulating blood pressure and cholesterol to improving circulation and blood sugar control. Their rich antioxidant profile further contributes to their protective effects, making them a valuable addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. While generally safe for consumption, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating hawthorn berries into your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. They can advise on the appropriate dosage and potential interactions. Embrace the power of hawthorn berries and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier heart. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.